It never stops. That voice in your head never stops. What I offer you is, if you want to have some sort of freedom from that voice in your head, just because you have a thought doesn't mean it's true. Just because you have a thought doesn't mean it's true. Just because your brain says something to you. How often does your brain in the morning, when you wake up, you look in the mirror, and your brain tells you have at least 1 pound of weight to lose? Yeah, and then you go and get upset at the dialogue in your head. The way I kind of look at your brain, ever have that one relative that you never want to see, but for some reason, Hallmark tells us we have to see them twice or 3 times a year for what, Easter, Thanksgiving, Christmas, because Hallmark tells us? So what if you have that person that judges you, that relative that evaluates you, that relative that just talks at you? Do you have to listen to them? Do you have to do what they tell you to do? No, it's the same thing for that voice in your head. By the way, the voice in your head is a program.